Well, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Twinkle, Twinkle on the A string in Suzuki Viola Book number 2, tutorial and playthrough. If you want the playthrough, use the chat below and skip ahead tutorial. Specifically, this is page 17. We need this because Lully Gavotte is coming up and there's some shifting in it. So this is just kind of getting us used to that idea of shifting here. What we have, instead of D, D, A, we're doing A, E, but we have no E string. We're going to do some shifting. So let's just play A, 4, 4. Alright, so obviously that's the highest we can go right in first position. So we're going to actually do, instead of 4, we're going to substitute 2. Use your ears. Then 2, 2. Then space 3, whole step. Then back to first position, regular 3. 2. 1. A. That's our first line. Second line is going to be easy. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1 on the A string. Then we do the last slice of our bread for our sandwich. First line again. A, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. Shift. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, A. This one is about feeling, but also using our ears for hearing it. Let's do the playthrough. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, fun, right? We can do what the violins do now. Hey, if you found value in this, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in Lully Gavotte. Bye.